How's it going, guys? We're working on a GT40 today. It's a superformance Mark II, just doing a service. Just thought you guys would like to see it and hear it, more importantly. So we've got all the service work done. We're going to put the clam back on the front. That's where you, come on down here, Chaz, you can show them. That's where you access the brake fluid and the clutch fluid. You can show them the engine and stuff. It's a 427 little Roush engine in it, RBT 5-speed. Actually had one of these. They're fantastic cars, just so much fun. Just no weight and lots of horsepower. So we'll get the clam shut down here in just a second, and we'll get it started. Let you guys hear it. Okay, Kirsten, do you know how to operate a GT40?
I don't know how. No. Oh, you left the fuel pump on, so I don't
did, see. She has no idea what's happening.
I'm scared.
It's a neutral, right?
I think so.
Don't run me over.
I'm gonna.
Push the start button and then just keep it running, please. It's not wanting to idle, so I'm gonna take care of that real quick.
There it is.
Just keep your throttle.
Throttle?
Give it a little bit of throttle.
Okay.
There you go. It sounds so good. All right, so that's the GT40. We were sitting here just letting it warm up, and Ches noticed that it was sparking, and it's literally jumping directly to the fuel rail. So we'll have to change that plug wire. It's definitely bad. So I think we found a problem. Good. All that work for that.